English step by step, pronunciation and spelling, vowels e and a. Step 2. In this video, I'm going to give the answers to a practice exercise. You can find the practice exercise in the Step 1 video in this series. So please make sure you watch that video first and try the exercise. So that was a listening and writing exercise. So now you can check the answers and check your spellings. Number 1 is tell, and the spelling is with E. Number 2, met. Number 3, chess. Number 4, fell. Number 5, pen. Number 6, tail. Number 7, mate. Number 8, chase. Number 9, fail. Number 10, pain. And you can see in these examples we have some more minimal pairs. So let's just go through those to practice. Tell, tail. Met, mate. Chess, chase. Fell, fail. Pen, pain. So now let's check the sentences. Number 11. The king reigned for 8 years. The king reigned for 8 years. Now you can see this word here is the same pronunciation as the word for the weather when we have rain. Past tense of to rain is reigned. And the pronunciation is the same, but you can see this is an irregular spelling, similar to vain and feign. The spelling is with E-I-G, and the pronunciation is reigned. The king reigned for 8 years. Number 12, here we have, she sent a text to her best friend. She sent a text to her best friend. 13, the rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain. The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain. Now, maybe you've heard this sentence before. It's a famous sentence. It comes from a song in a film called My Fair Lady. And it's a film in which one of the characters has to learn good pronunciation. And this is a practice sentence for good pronunciation. The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain. Number 14. I take care of my mental health. I take care of my mental health. 15. Let's try again. A chess game is a test for your brain. A chess game is a test for your brain. So that brings us to the end of this Step 2 video on the sounds E and A. This is one of a series of videos in which I talk about the vowels of English and how to spell those vowels, the sounds of the vowels. If you like the content of this video, please click like and subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below. And remember, you can watch the other videos in this series, and you can watch the overview video in which I talk about all of the vowels in English and I give examples of the sounds and the spellings of those vowels.